Here are 5 healthy and tasty breakfast recipes, each with a full explanation. 1. Banana baked oatmeal. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 2 cups rolled oats, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon salt, 2 cups almond milk, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large bowl, mash the bananas. 3. Add the oats, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Mix well. 4. Stir in the almond milk, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. 5. Pour the mixture into a greased baking dish. 6. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes until golden brown. 7. Serve warm, optionally topped with nut butter and banana slices. 2. Avocado toast with poached egg. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices whole grain bread, 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Red pepper flakes optional. Instructions: 1. Toast the bread slices. 2. Mash the avocado and spread it evenly on the toast. 3. Bring a pot of water to a simmer and poach the eggs for about 3 to 4 minutes. 4. Place the poached eggs on top of the avocado toast. 5. Season with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. 3. Greek yogurt parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup granola, 1/2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: 1. In a glass or bowl, layer the Greek yogurt, granola, and mixed berries. 2. Drizzle honey on top. 3. Repeat the layers if desired. 4. Serve immediately. 4. Spinach and feta omelet. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Instructions: 1. Whisk the eggs in a bowl and season with salt and pepper. 2. Heat olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. 3. Add the spinach and cook until wilted. 4. Pour the eggs over the spinach and cook until they start to set. 5. Sprinkle feta cheese on 1/2 of the omelet. 6. Fold the omelet in half and cook for another minute. 7. Serve hot. 5. Chia seed pudding. Ingredients: 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Fresh fruit for topping. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix chia seeds, almond milk, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. 2. Stir well and let it sit for 5 minutes. 3. Stir again to prevent clumping, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. 4. Serve topped with fresh fruit.